Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NENYE'S. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in NKWU, Anambra State who loves to create content on food, lifestyles and vlogs. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I'm going to take you guys along on how my day went, from my traveling to the fixing of my nails, Angel's fixing of her nails, and also Banter with Angel's Imego. So I'm going to take you guys along. So you guys should stay glued as we get started. Hey guys, welcome back once more. So finally I'm home. All these airline people, they can disappoint. If you see what happened to us today at the airport, like I couldn't believe it, man. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. People were just sitting on the floor everywhere. People like, but next thing they said that they canceled the flight for the day. Oh, it was so depressing for me. They couldn't even send an ordinary text message to people. The only thing they told us, I should go back for your refund, just like that. Just like that. I regretted the whole journey. Although I made some amazing friends. There's these people I met yesterday. Yeah, those children, they're so fine. They're so fine. Like, they look like my cousin's children. I was just seeing my cousin's children right in front of me. Then finally we left Enugu for Neo around 1 in the night, around 1 in the midnight, because I wanted, yeah, because I really want to get to Neo. I don't want to spend the night in Enugu. I really want to get to Neo. So yeah, guys, I'm back home. Thank God for everything. I'm back home. I'm in Neo right now, and I needed to eat. See what I have with me. The person that fried this egg for me, oh my goodness, the person did a very nice job. That's how I liked my egg and plantain. So guys, yeah, tomorrow, as I said earlier, I'm going to make my nails, then do some small running around, because from 25th we have an occasion till 31st. Like, so this period is going to be very fun for us, because like almost all our family members are coming back home. So yeah, so see you guys, and let me enjoy my food. But although it's already late in the night, but I have to eat because I'm so hungry. So guys, I'm going to see you guys shortly. Yeah, I'm just here. I'm going to see you guys shortly. Let me enjoy my food. Those are my little friend that I met at Lagos. I'm going to mix them, Mona and Maya, and yeah, I'm still going to mix them. I saw them and I fell in love with them. Maybe because they look like my cousin's children. Maybe that's why I fell in love with them. She was missing me. She was saying, I'm going to miss you. Maya. I miss you too, Maya. I miss you too, Mona. And the guy, I can't even remember his name again, but I miss them all. So I just pray that one day you guys will get to see this video. And yeah, I just pray you guys get to see this video someday. I'm so happy. Like, guys, I'm so happy this period. You know why? Sometime last 2 weeks I was having breakouts, like I was breaking out so badly. But yeah, this week I now realized that my stop. I'm so happy, like all those my blemishes and acne that's just going off, but I'm not breaking out again. Thank God. Like, I'm so happy. So guys, so now I'm on my way back to my house. Yeah, I couldn't go to my house because it was very late in the night, so I have to sleep over. But right now I'm going to my house. Dika Bobo. Jesus. Is that my Dika? Yes. Hey! Jesus Christ. Just do it. Candy, no way. You can't because stop. Hi guys. Yes, hi guys. Please say hi to my people now. Eh? Hello. Yeah, baby. Hi. Hi. My face is so oily. Baby, it's so long. The last time I saw her, she was so small. Then she was like, just a year when I saw her last. That was 2018. And now she's all grown. Yes, she said, yeah. She's all grown. Getting it. Oh, no, Mama. Okay.
Eh? Don't say that again. Gigi, the woman can not so much.
Hi, baby.
I'm tired of now. One. Gigi.
Nabonya.
Gigi. Can I go down today? I have to wait for one. If you have you want to come now. Oh, I'm going to say hello now. Nam. How are you?
Hey, Malcolm.
How do
you Egwu? I know. Oh, you can say no.
Now, we not go live. Hey, other kind of me, come on, wait, says no tea way. Mewe.
Banka yemu.
Ma go for family boutique you come.
Hey. Hey guys, welcome back to a new day. This is another episode of another vlog, and today is Banter with NJ's Imego. So her husband people are coming to pay her bride price today. So as you can see, she's getting ready, she's getting her nails done, and yeah, you guys should stay tuned and watch our beautiful bride. Happy? Higher. Hey,
Piano
Hey, Chinelo, because respect no one. I don't want to record.
Fine.
Boy, pepper them. Ngwana.
Pepper them. Dogs. Sealed. Sealed.
Ogum. Hey.
See my nails.
Jesus.
Nails there.
Because something will take a minute.
See my nails there. See my nails
See her hot legs. I'm going to show me your husband because let me greet him. Amazing, what the screenshots? Collab and dinner scene. Oh no, no, choose your location. NKWU or Agbono.
Are you kidding me?
Go.
So hey guys, the event is over right now. I came in to pack my things. I couldn't pack earlier in the day because we're so busy.
Pack it to go
I'm
away.
going to pack a few things because I'll be back here tomorrow morning because we have like events throughout the rest of the year, family events. So I'm coming back tomorrow. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. And if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course please subscribe to NENYE'S Diary.
Yeah!
See you in our next video. Bye!
full house.